In this Minitab tutorial, I'm going to use an example of hurricane data from 2010 to show you how to make a pie chart and a bar chart. So let's begin by taking a look at the raw data. So the raw data here, there was 21 named storms, quite a busy year in 2010. And we want to try and organize this in a way to talk about the strength of the storm. So let's talk about hurricane or storm strength, and C2 will be the quantity, so the number. So I'm just going to figure out now what type of options I have here. If I look carefully, I have tropical depressions, and then I have tropical storms, and I have hurricanes, and it looks like I have categories 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let me make my labels here in column 1. So tropical depression I'll abbreviate, tropical storm, category 1 hurricane, a category 2 hurricane, a category 3 hurricane, category 4. Alright, and then next to it I'm going to put the numbers of each based on this raw data. So I look here and I see that I'm going to start with tropical depression, which is the weakest of the storms, and see I have two of them. So I'm going to put a 2 here. For tropical storms, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to put 8 here. Category 1 hurricanes, I have 1, 2, 3. Category 2 hurricanes, I have 1, 2, 3. Category 3 hurricanes, and this is the only one, Carl. So I'll put a 1 there. And for category 4 hurricanes, it looks like there were 4 of them. Alright, so hopefully these numbers add up to the 21. 10, yep, okay, so I got 21 total. Alright, so to do notice again I had to count each one of the values, so this represents the number of each type of hurricane in 2010. So if I'm going to do the pie chart, I'm going to go to Graph, Pie Chart, and I want to actually, I don't have unique values. That would mean like I would have them all in one column listed. I actually have the categorical variable is the name of the strength, so the storm strength. I'll double click that to get that into that category. The cursor automatically moves there. And then this is my summary. So I summarize them by actually hand counting them. And I can click OK, and I'll just let it do the pie options, the pie chart. So here's my pie chart of the storms, and here's my information over here on the right. But it'd be nice if I actually had some numbers here like percents. So I could go Graph, Pie Chart. Again, my numbers are here. But if I go to Labels, I might want to look at Slice Labels, and maybe I want percent. And I could draw a line as well from the slice. Let's see what that looks like. See, so now I have better information to see that 38% of the named storms, or 38% of the storms in 2010 were tropical storms. And then I can see that there was pretty good balance of storms for the rest of the strengths. All right, now I'm going to do a bar chart, and I'm going to pause the video a second while I clean this up a little. Okay, a bar chart is very similar to a pie chart in terms of showing categorical summarized data. So I'm going to go to Graph. I'm going to go down to Bar Chart. This time, since I have the data summarized, I have to say values from a table. So I had to pick that. I'm just going to go with the simple one and say OK. I'm going to double click to put number in the graph variables, and then down here would be my categorical variables. And I'm going to click OK. And voila, I have the number of each type of storm during 2010. I could change the title if I wanted to. I'm also going to do a graph to show you that I can do it by number, which is frequency, or I could also do it by percent. So I'm going to do this, OK, and all I'm going to do is change the chart options, and I'm going to show Y as a percent. Click OK, OK, and now you can see that Y is a percent. I hope these videos help you understand how to use Minitab a little bit better.